All right. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See y'all later. Okay, I'm gonna run down towards Brian's. Well, better find my little mask here. There it is, waiting on me. Gotta find my mask. Gotta wear your mask. Gotta wear your mask in the Philippines. It is not legal to just walk around with that. I hope everything ain't upside down. I think I might be able to edit it if it is. But I'm gonna walk down toward Brian's house, take a video, see how this thing does. Yep, working. All right, bunch of sorry stores on my way. Bunch of laundry. We're gonna do it. Hey, how you doing? Good morning. Sorry. Yeah, they get some ice cream. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Yeah. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning. So we're gonna walk down to Brian's here, see if I can get him up to help me move. We're gonna move today. How you doing? How you doing? Get out the road and get by me. How are you? There's one that's not open yet. Sorry store on every other house. Sometimes every house. I don't know how they compete. Pete. There's a river. A little dirty, ain't it? But I mean, who's gonna get down there and clean it up? I don't know, not me. It's dirty there too. Look at that art. What about that? Howdy. Good morning. How you doing? Hey. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Working. How you doing? They're mixing up concrete. Hey, there's another sorry stuff. San Joaquin, the other direction, the actual direction. It's going towards another brown guy down. About halfway down this road. How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? Ironwork. Somebody did some ironwork there. Probably a little welding, a little this and that. Good morning. There's another place. Ice candy for sale. Sorry in there. Not a lot. There's a big one down here though. Halfway down through here. Half a week. And some friends, family. On down here to my aunt's house. Where we're gonna go. Let's get a little walk. Just down to here. Probably get a little video. Hello, good morning. How are you? Hello. Good morning. There you go, baby. So playing with a balloon. And there's a water truck. Good morning. And there's sorry store. Here's one too. And there's a dog barking at me. He gonna bite me. I can tell you. He's okay, doggy. Good morning. How are you? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We walk on down here to Karen's house. My cousin Brian. See him get his truck out and go to moving stuff. Good morning. How are you? Morning, guys. How are you?
Black coffee?
I'm good. Thank you. And here we are. And I guess, yeah, Brian's trying to. Wake up! Wake up! I'm home. Wake up! I'm home. Wake up! I'm home. You're on YouTube. How are you?
Fine.
Where's everybody at? Sleep?
Yeah.
Wake them up. They get to be on YouTube.
Brian's sleeping. Still sleeping.
Yeah, I know. I need to take him with me because I need to move. I need to move. I need to move into my house. So wake him up.
Come in, please. Don't remove your shoes.
Ah, they're dirty.
Okay.
They're dirty.
Yes.
Look at this beautiful house.
Make a vlog.
Big kitchen. Yeah, I'm about the end of it, so you're gonna have to help me out here a little bit. Come here. Look at that. Lord's Supper. That's beautiful. Come here, you gotta help me out. You gotta help me out. So, what are you cooking?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken? Just the whole chicken? The power's about to go out at 9 o'clock, you know. Did you know that?
What?
The power's going off at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Yeah. So, if you're cooking, you better get your cooking done. You don't need no light anyway in here, do you?
Wait. I will open the light.
I'm about to end this one. Here's on what I want you to say. Subscribe. Say subscribe.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Why? What?
Because you're on YouTube right now live. So say subscribe, thumbs up, and make a comment.
Good morning.
Okay, that'll do it.